Welcome to e-learning with PS Education platform. Today our discussion topic is English lesson plan preposition. First of one, pupil teacher name, class, subject, time duration, school name, period, topic and date. And then teaching aid, general aim, a specific aim and previous knowledge testing. Teaching aid, blackboard, chalk, duster, pointer and TLM. General aim to read, write, and understand, to create their interest in English, to improve the pronunciation. Specific aim to teach the student to make correct use of preposition, especially in, on, and at. Previous knowledge testing. Pupil teacher activity. What is this? Showing a pen. Student activity. This is a pen. Where is the pen? Placing pen in the ink pot. And then what is this? Showing a book. Student activity. This is a book. Where is the book? Placing book on the table. This is a problematic question. Announcement of the topic. Well, student, today we will learn the use of in, on, and at. Lesson presentation. First of one, teaching point, teachers activity, student activity, and then blackboard activity. Teaching point. Preposition is a word or group of word before a noun, pronoun, phrase. Use of in, at, and on. Use of in weeks, months, year, decades, and centuries. Use of on days and weekend. Use of at hours, address, and specific location. Example of let's meet at 7 o'clock. And then lesson presentation. First of one, teaching point. Teaching point preposition. Preposition is a word or group of word before a noun, pronoun, and phrase. In to refer to a place, use in the point itself, months and years. Use of at the general vicinity or for specific time. Use of on the surface days and dates. Some example are the pencil on the table. The duster is in my hand. The movie start at 8:30. Some prepositions are on, in front of, below, under, between, below, near, and above. List of common preposition in English: about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, as, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, despite, down, and during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, off, on, onto, opposite, out, outside, and etc. And then recapitulation: a picture will be shown in which some flowers are in the basket is on the table. The teacher will ask the following question: where are the flowers? Where is the basket? Where is the table? And then home assignment. The pupil teacher will ask the student to write at least 10 sentences each of in, on, at, home. Thank you for watching this video.